Hello everybody and welcome back. We just got a call from one of our customers, and for the past week or so they've been demoing an electric yard spotter truck. So if you guys are a little bit unfamiliar with that, it basically shuttles trailers back and forth around like a plant facility. The demo, they are done demoing it, and the transport company has come back to pick it up, and in the midst of picking it up, it spit the ramps out. Now I guess it's bottomed out on the frame or something. So we're gonna go hop in a rotator and get headed that direction.
Oh, it's an electric one.
Yeah, it's an electric one. They've been demoing it. Said it runs about 400,000. So I suppose we'll just grab. So what is it, bottomed out on here?
It's just a little bit right here, you see? Just stuck right here, metal with metal. Just a little bit, I put it on my trailer. I put the ramps on one step supposed to be. Now I know I have to put it here.
Well, because you park next to it, swing around, pick it up, and then slide it up.
Well, that's what I'm thinking. I don't know. Those D-rings probably aren't very strong, are they? I mean, it's got that, so I suppose. Yeah, I suppose that's probably gonna be the easiest. We'll just that's what I'll do. Let's put one on the other side, but make sure it's I gotta be a little farther away. And then we'll use the blue and the yellow. So what is a big battery on both sides? Is that the battery?
Yeah, both sides are batteries.
Yeah, I'll swing it over, just pick one side, one the other, pick it and slide it back.
I forgot to tell you, I'm on overtime now too.
$15 an hour, huh?
Just leave the red one there. Are the brakes set? Or does it, does it have parking brakes?
I got my foot on the brake to hold the truck.
No. That's about as far as I got. You can drive it the rest, right? I get it centered over, yeah. You got the brakes held? You good? All right, appreciate it. All right, guys, so we just got back here to the shop. It's pretty much the end of the day, and as you could see, it was a relatively simple job. We opted to use our new Bailey's slings that were sent to us. They worked out great. Boomed over the side, picked it up, and then just slid back to get it put back on the trailer so they could finish loading it and transporting it back to wherever they need to go. But yeah, really impressed with the Bailey slings. Give you guys a little bit of a closer look at them. You know, no cuts or anything of the kind on either one of them. Obviously, it was a relatively simple lift, and weight-wise, I'm not sure what one of the EV trucks like that way, but you can see, zoom in close there, that's where it was up against the rim, but no cuts. And what's nice about this grommet sling is it's protective coating over the entire lifting rope, which is actually inside of there. So yeah, these are the 6 foot 5/8, and really looking forward to using them more in the future. So as always, thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in next time.